Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ultra Pips FX. So on today's video, I'll be talking about these two indicators: Asian section range and week and day separator, support resistance dynamic. So basically, these two indicators are free on TradingView, and I've been using it to backtest this strategy which I develop or I got to know about last 2 weeks. And today I decided to try it on a live account. So these indicators, the the first one basically just separates the Asian section, the London section, and the New York section. That is what it does. The support resistance dynamic just basically show key areas like key levels where price is likely to reverse from. But before you get to use the support resistance dynamic, you need to understand basic market structure, which I already discussed about on my previous videos. You can go back to watch them. You can see the link on the screen, so you can just basically click to watch them. So this support resistance are basically this line. They are basically this line which you're seeing here. This blue line, the blue line, the blue line. So here right now is your resistance and here is your support, right? So this is I use London section. I use London time to determine how I trade. So from this section, if you can watch, I marked out this place already showing you a new day. So price started bullish on the Asian section, then went bearish, then went bearish on GPPAUD. This is GPPAUD I'm using to explain right now. So price took out the low, took out this low, and bought doing Asia doing London section. It gave about 97 pips. This number you're seeing here is your pips. This 68.6 is your pips. And then this is your New York here. Your New York section is the gray color, the gray box. The London is the green, and then the blue is the Asian section. So let's take this trade for example. I also took the sell on GPPAUD. So looking at GPPAUD, you need to understand what price is doing, how price is moving. So like I said, price was bullish, then went bearish, closed bearish on Asian doing Asian section, right? Then doing New York section, price was bullish, and as you can see, price took out this Asian section I, and after taking the I, sold, did not break this level. Price could not do break of structure at this level, which I was really expecting price to break this structure. So when price was reversing, and as you can see, this whole consolidation at the 30 minutes time frame, I knew that buyers already slowing down, that the buyers they are getting exhausted rather. So price finally got to where I marked out. I actually marked out uh, this zone using this line right here. I marked out this line from this week. That was where I marked out my line because there is a 1 hour other blog there. If you don't know about other blog, leave a comment at the comment section so I can make a video, proper video about other blogs. What other blogs are? Other blogs are not just other blogs, they're there for a reason. So this I marked out this zone for price to get here and reversed, and as you can see, price reversed. But why the price reversed at this zone? Like I said, when price take out this um Asian section, I then it sold. There is always a key zone for you to continue the trend, because looking at this is already bullish, in the sense is already bearish, in the sense price already did change of character, which is it's selling. So using using the indicator, you get to understand more things better on using the indicator. You get to understand price action more better. Like I said, I backtested this for like 2 months before I got to understand how it works. Resistance area, and this is your support. Resistance is price failing to break out, and support is price holding. Like you see, here was a support area for this price, but here was also a resistance, price sold. Then price we tested that same resistance level and then sold. So why did I put my TP here? I put my TP here at this support level because price can do so many things at this level. Price can just decide to buy and take off this whole consolidation, take out this whole range, because price has been ranging within here, but then price took out this zone, did a break of structure here, also break this structure, and as you can see, it's trying to buy from this support. And for this support resistance dynamic indicator, I use the 30 minutes time frame to spot out my zone properly. So you can go ahead, use your 30 minutes time frame to spot out your key zone properly. You can go ahead backtest this. I backtested for 2 weeks before I had to implement on a live chat. So this is just it for GPPAUD. Also on GPP USD, the same thing happened. As you can see, this is doing Asian section. Price was bearish. Then price took out this Asian section low, right? Then started buying from this support zone. If you look, there is always a reason why this zone is being marked out. You can go ahead to backtest to understand it more better. So I expected price to buy from here, but I did not take the buy because of no reasonable reason for me, like no enough confidence for me to buy from there. Instead, I took a sell from here and took my SL here because I was expecting price to reverse back at this zone where this consolidation happened. So I took myself here basically because of the same reason why I took this trade. So looking at this thing, like I said, it was bearish, then took out the low bullish, then it took out this Asian section I, right? Took it out, and there is a key zone for me around here because of what price did here previously. And you can see the resistance. Though price broke out from the resistance to respect here, but if you go back also, you get to understand why this line was being marked out as a level. Can you see why it was being marked out? So I took the sell from here, took my TP, and then closed around here. Yes, this line I marked out. That was where I took my TP. And because I had a feeling that price can just want to take out this whole consolidation around there, just like it happened here, right? Price taking out the whole low, that is doing break of structure here, and also here. This is a very clean stop on, because there are so many people who will be taking a buy around this area, and also there will be traders who will be taking sell around this area. To understand what I just said, go back to my previous video to understand um more about stop ons. That is those traders will be wanting to buy, and they will get stopped out quickly, and those will be wanting to sell, and they will also get stopped out quickly. And as you can see, price retested back, this candle retested back to the support level and started buying. So for now, I don't know what price is going to do until after Asian section, and then I'll anticipate on taking trade during London section. To my Discord, subscribe on my YouTube, you get to see more of my videos to understand this. I trade. So also on GPP USD, after price did all those, I was anticipating for price to either buy and take off this whole range out, or it will sell and take out this whole deal, the range, the consolidation that has been happening here. So as you can see, market bought broke out from this zone and also sold and took out this zone. So why did this? You can see this is a very key zone to sell from using this support resistance dynamic. But for me, I took my sell very early from here. Then notice this week on 15 minutes time frame and waited, because I take my entry from 15 minutes time frame. Then when you move to your 30 minutes, you get to see this support resistance dynamic clearly, and you wait for price to touch the zone well to take in more entry. So from there I took in more entry and sold till markets got to till price got to, like I was saying, if you go to, I took my entry from 15 minutes time frame, right? On the 15 minutes time frame, it was not really giving me like a clear zone. So when you go to your 30 minutes, you get to see this resistance. Sorry, you get to see this resistance level, and you wait for price to get there properly. But why did I mark out the zone? I mark out this zone using this week because it's like a key zone for me, right? If you go to your 5 minutes, you get to understand, or if you go to my previous videos, you get to understand also why this is a key zone for me. So when price got to the resistance level, you can see the weak rejection, then it sold, took out